Now let us learn about housekeeping. Housekeeping refers to the management of duties and chores involved in the running of a household, such as cleaning, cooking, home maintenance, shopping and paying bills. These tasks may be performed by the household members or by other person hired to perform these tasks. So let us look upon the vision of housekeeping. Why is it important in this chapter called quality tools? So let us look upon the vision. To keep both external and internal house in order, develop sensitivity for one's surroundings and a concern for the environment at large. Number 2 is a systematic and rational approach to workplace organization and methodical housekeeping with a sense of purpose. In every organization, in every environment or factory or wherever the people are employed, it is necessary that there is proper housekeeping for the proper management of the team and the organization. Let us look upon the purpose of housekeeping. Effective housekeeping can eliminate some workplace hazards and help get a job done safely and properly. Poor housekeeping can frequently contribute to accidents by hiding hazards that cause injuries. Jodi proper housekeeping na thake, junbilak potential injuries hobo laga thakibo pare, hebilak lukai thake. So proper housekeeping is very necessary. If the sight of paper, debris, clutter and spills is accepted as normal, then other more serious health and safety hazards may be taken for granted. Housekeeping is not just cleanliness. It includes keeping work areas neat and orderly, maintaining halls and floors free of slip and trip hazards and removing of waste materials, example paper, cardboard and other fire hazards from work areas. It also requires paying attention to important details such as the layout of the whole workplace, aisle marking, the adequacy of storage facilities and maintenance. Good housekeeping is also a basic part of accident and fire prevention. Effective housekeeping is an ongoing operation. It is not a hit and miss cleanup done occasionally. Periodic panic cleanups are costly and ineffective in reducing accidents. Poor housekeeping can be a cause of accidents such as tripping over loose object on floors, stairs and platforms, being hit by falling objects, slipping on greasy, wet or dirty surfaces, striking against projecting poorly stacked items or misplaced material, cutting, puncturing or tearing the skin of hands or other parts of body on projecting nails, wire or steel strapping. To avoid these hazards, a workplace must maintain order throughout a work day. Although this effort requires a great deal of management and planning, the benefits are worth all the trouble. So, what can effective housekeeping result in? Let us see. Reduced handling to ease the flow of material, fewer tripping, slipping accidents in clutter-free and spill-free work areas, decreased fire hazards, lower exposure to hazardous substances, example dust, vapors, etc. Better control of tools and materials including inventory and supplies, more efficient equipment cleanup and maintenance, better hygienic conditions leading to improved health, more effective use of space, reduce property damage by improving preventive maintenance, improved morale, improved productivity. So this is the topic of housekeeping and the purpose and also the benefits of housekeeping. Now let us see the 5 S of housekeeping. What are the 5 S? S is the name of a workplace organization method that uses a list of 5 Japanese words: seiri, seiten, seiso, seiketsu, shitsuke. Translated in English, they all start with the letter S. So number 1 S is seiri, that is sort out unnecessary items in the workplace and discard them. Number 2 is seiten, arrange necessary items in good order. Third S is seiso, clean your workplace thoroughly so that there is no dust on floors, machines and equipments. Number 4 is Seketsu. Maintain high standards of housekeeping at workplace at all times. Number 5 is Shitsuke. Train people to follow good housekeeping disciplines. So these are the 5 S's which we have to follow in housekeeping. So let's look upon the principles of 5S. Sari is remove unnecessary items and dispose them off properly. Make work easier by eliminating obstacles. Reduce chance of being disturbed with unnecessary items. Prevent accumulation of unnecessary items. Evaluate necessary items with regard to cost and other factors. Saturn is arrange all necessary items in order so that they can be easily picked for use. Make it easy to find and pick up necessary items. Make workflow smooth and easy. Seiso is clean your workplace completely. Use cleaning as inspection. Keep workplace safe and easy to work. Sekitsu is maintain high standards of housekeeping and workplace organization at all times. Maintain everything in order and according to its standard. Shitsuke is to keep in working order. Also translate to self-discipline, meaning to do without being told. Critical factors implementing the 5S which we face are top senior management commitment, leadership by location heads, awareness training programs for all employees. So these are the critical steps in implementing 5S. Okay, launching of 5S program, allocation of funds, identification of 5S areas, team formation involving employees, developing standards, developing checklists, developing audit checklists, publishing audit results, holding competition awards. So these can be done, and these are the steps which can be taken in implementing the 5S of housekeeping. Now let's look upon the implementation methodology. All employees to undergo 5S housekeeping training. A vision statement to be evolved and started with all employees. Divide the organization into convenient zones. Divide each zone into convenient subzones. Decide on data for launching 5S in each zone, subzone. Take pledge. Apply 5S principles step by step. Form audit teams, carry out audits. So this is all for the quality tools. Now next we will learn about a different topic in the and a different chapter. Till then, keep watching our videos and keep sharing them so that we all can learn together.